see either. I was just doing a math problem. Oh, anyway. Hello. My name's Kelli Akers. I'm a senior here at Alice Lloyd College. And today, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to apply for classes for the fall semester on the online EagleNet portal. Follow me. Oh, here we are on alicelloyd.edu. First step, get on the EagleNet, top of the page. Oh, excellent. Now, you have to log in. But luckily for me, I'm already logged in. Username is your Alice Lloyd ID number, and your password for you to know and me to find out. Anyway, so to register for the online portal, you must go to Student, top left corner by the home button. You click it. Excellent. When it loads, you will see to the left side of the page a column that says Student, Default Page, My Schedule, My Grades, and so on. You will go down to the section where it says Add and Drop Courses, because you are adding courses to register. Anyway, when it loads, you want to make sure that it says the 2018-2019 fall semester. And you will see Course Search. So, for my schedule, it shows that I'm taking English 201, Tuesday, Thursday, from 11 to 12:15. So, I will go to Course Code, and I will type in English 201. Search. Oh, would you look at that? Survey of World Lit 1. Anyway, it shows that the time is 11 a.m. to 12:15. Would you look at that? It matches. It matches. What a confirmation. So, you will click that. And when it shows, you will put add this course. I can't click it because, of course, I'm not adding the course. When it shows that, after you click it, you'll go back and it will pull you back to this page, and it will show you down here all of the courses that you've logged into. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is this tutorial on how to pre-register on the EagleNet portal.